Hi there, how can I help you?
Hi, I am here to pick up a prescription. The name is Jordan, Sarah Jordan.
Jordan, let me have a look. Yes, I have got it here. It is sumatriptan, 50 milligrams. Is that what you were expecting?
Yes, that is the one. My doctor prescribed it this morning for migraines.
Perfect. Is this the first time you have taken sumatriptan?
Yes, it is completely new to me. My doctor explained a little, but I would really appreciate going over how it works.
Of course, happy to. So, sumatriptan is what is called a triptan. It works differently from a regular painkiller. It does not just block pain, it actually targets the cause of the migraine. The key thing is timing. You take it at the onset, meaning as soon as you feel a migraine starting. The earlier you take it, the better it works.
My doctor mentioned I might get a warning before a migraine. I sometimes see flickering lights. Should I take it then, or wait until the head pain actually starts?
If you get that visual warning, that is actually the ideal time to take it, right at that moment before the headache even begins. That is when it is most effective.
Good to know. And what if it does not work? Can I take a second one?
Yes, if the first dose has not given you enough relief after 2 hours, you can take a second one. But do not take more than two in any 24-hour period.
Okay, that is clear. Are there side effects I should be aware of?
Some people feel a bit of drowsiness or a mild heaviness in the chest or limbs shortly after taking it. It usually passes quickly. A small number of people feel a little nauseous, but that is less common. If you ever feel chest tightness that does not go away, contact a doctor.
That sounds a bit alarming. Should I be worried about that?
It is worth knowing about, but it is quite rare. The vast majority of people tolerate it well. Your doctor would not have prescribed it if there were any particular concerns about you specifically.
That is reassuring. I am also taking a daily magnesium supplement. My doctor actually recommended it for migraines. Is there any issue with taking both?
No, magnesium does not interact with sumatriptan at all. You are fine to take them together.
Great. This is quite expensive on the label. Is there a generic version available?
There is, yes. Sumatriptan itself is actually already the generic name. The brand name version is called Imitrex. What you have here is the generic, which is already the more affordable option. And let me check your insurance. Yes, it looks like it is covered. Your total today is $12.
Oh, that is much better than I expected. Thank you. One last thing. How many tablets are in here, and how do I know when to request a refill?
There are 9 tablets in this pack. Given that you are just starting out, your doctor will probably want to review how you are getting on before prescribing more. I would suggest keeping track of how many you use and going back to your doctor after a month or so.
That makes sense. And I am guessing I should keep these on hand at all times rather than leaving them at home.
Exactly, keep them with you, in your bag or your desk at work. A migraine can come on anywhere, and the timing really matters with this medication.
Good point. Okay, I think I have everything I need. Thank you so much. This has been really helpful.
Of course. I hope they work well for you. Take care.
Thank you.